Hey guys, Michael Internet Pro. Very, very simple, very, very quick, very, very sweet day. $300 made today. See my profile here. It's my name right there. It's my setup. That is my business name. So what you need to do, guys, is simply click that link below. You'll find out how to get involved with this system. $300 made today. 1748 is coming in. I'm going to show you that over here in another account. This is my Gmail account. I'm going to show you here the $300 that was sent with the transaction ID. You can see that I make 50 cents and turn those 50 cents into 1748, 1748, 1748, 1748, 48, 48, 78, 77, all these right here. These 50 cents turn into 1748. You got 1049. It's very, very easy. You can see all these sales coming in. Ridiculous amount of sales. Multiple sales in a day. As you can see, August 1st, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16. Today is the 17th. Okay, let's go down and check that. There you go. August 17th, 2017, for you who may not believe what I'm saying. I have thousands upon thousands upon thousands of leads to come in all the time around the clock. Okay, what I need you to do if you want to get started with the system is simply click the link below this video. All right, enter in your name, your email, and watch the video presentation. It will tell you how to get started with this. Now it's $1 to get started. I receive 50% of that first sale, which is 50 cents. After you've been in the system and you get started, okay, the first and only payment for that particular 30-day period is $34. That out of that, I get 50%, which is $17.40. After that, you'll be well on your way to learning the steps to how to make money online. Very simple, guys. If you want to make $300 in a day, okay, simply put, click the link below. It's Michael Internet Pro. I am a 9-year online internet marketer. I've been doing this for 9 years, very long time, guys, approaching 10, approaching a decade. If you want to learn how to make money online, live overseas the way I do, live, free in any country you choose to be. Right now, I'm in a hotel as I'm doing this. I'm giving about 3 hours a day right now to work, and that is 3 hours that I have not done in the last, in other words, I haven't done any work for about the last 4 months. But I'm starting back up to do my work, and if you haven't seen me around, that's why I've been vacationing for the last 3 months, last 4 months. So now I'm coming back to give a little regimen of doing my 3 hours a day. Okay, so I'm getting back to working again after a 4-month vacation. Okay, now if you are looking to make money online like I do, a lot of you guys, you asked to be mentored. Let me show you my Facebook account. I got people. Let me come over here. Let's see. Someone right here. Hey, Michael, do you mentor? I'm willing to pay. I like info about your posts, make money online. Just people that always are messaging me, wanting to know how I do what I do. Now, I don't personally mentor anyone. Okay, it takes a lot of time, and it's usually not worth the money because people aren't willing to pay you usually what you're worth, and so that's usually why I won't mentor someone. But I can tell you this, guys: if you're looking to make money online the way I do, it's very simple. It's very simple. All you have to do is follow directions, learn how to use social media to post ads daily, okay, until you build up a large enough following to where you're making money on autopilot. That's what I've done. That's what you can do. It's very, very simple. I have 2,000 friends on Facebook, about 1,000 followers, 1,500 followers on Instagram. I have over almost 8,000 followers on YouTube, okay? So it's not hard to do. 7,903 on this one channel. I have many channels on YouTube. This can be done by you. You can get this done. It's very, very, very easy, okay? Now, what I want you guys to do is simply just follow the link below, okay? Get started today. Learn how you can make $300 every day if you so choose. The type of money and how much money you make will depend on what you do, how hard you work, okay? You can make $10 a day, you can make $5 a day, you can make $50 a day, you can make $100 a day, you can make $300 in a day, okay? It is possible, guys. Check it out. I have done it here. I want you guys to see how to do it below. Click the link below, get started today. Thank you as always for listening. If you're not a subscriber yet to this channel, Michael Internet Pro, 9-year online marketer, go ahead and subscribe today. All right, that way you can stay up, stay tuned to my new videos coming out. I will be putting out more content than ever, showing you how to do what I do online. with that, guys. It's my Clutching Pro.